Magandang umaga. Actually, hindi pa ako nakakatulog. So, I woke up like this. Whew. It's my day 3 here in Coron, Palawan. So, I'm working dito sa bed ko. And would you know na I have rented sa isang guest house dito sa Coron. And I'm so happy because very kind yung may-ari. And look, because even I paid a very minimal amount of rental, this space that I'm in right now is superb. What I mean is, for me, it's already a blessing. Kasi everything is a blessing. No? I'm always grateful sa mga maliliit at mga malalaking bagay na dumadating sa buhay ko. So, let's just alter you around a bit. Ay, yung camera ko lang kasi tinatamad na akong bumangon. Mamaya-maya ako mag-tutor sa inyo. But, this space that I'm in right now, actually, ay isang buong space para sa maramihan. But, I'm the only one occupying this space. So, it has bunk beds, no? And malaking room. It has own CR or comfort room. Separate yung toilet and shower room. So, very nice. And look, ito, yan. Yan yung itsura niya. Sa taas, meron pa. And dito sa harapan ko, meron pa. And dyan sa gilid. Okay, so yan yung itsura. May mga sinampay ako. Pero I am the only one na nag-occupy sa space na to. See? Yung mga kalat ko nandito sa bed ko. No, it's not kalat. Mga gamit ko yan. Okay? And may sarili kang actually, it's for all supposed to be, pero I'm the only one also na nag-occupy ng cabinet. So, it's the cabinet. I have my own susi or padlock. Good thing, lagi ako nagdadala nun. So, it's very nice. Look. Ayan. So, hindi na ako masyadong magtatagal dito sa video coverage na to because actually hindi pa ako nakakaligo or nakakahilamos man lang. Oh! I'm awake at 5 a.m. in the morning and I only took a couple of breads for breakfast and water because tinatamad pa akong lumabas. So, there you go. Yun lang. And I'm so thankful that sinusundan nyo yung mga vlogs ko dito sa YouTube. And please show some support and love for me. Click that subscribe button if hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe. Because I'm trying to create a coherent content for you guys sa lahat ng mga travels ko para naman ma-inspire kayo na mag-travel din. Even if sa tingin nyo hindi nyo kaya. Actually, I'm traveling alone for almost 3 weeks here in Palawan. And actually, matagal ko nang ginagawa to. I've been traveling around the Philippines for years na. And tamad lang talaga akong mag-upload ng mga videos and documentations ko. So, I guess this is a high time for me na i-share yung mga travel experiences ko at mga travel stories ko sa inyo. Kaya naman, um, I'm asking your support na sana supportahan nyo yung mga content ko para maging masipag pa ako na gumawa ng mga travel stories dito sa YouTube. And I also have Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Please follow and support all my social media channels. Para sa inyo to, kaya ko ginagawa. And para rin mas maging confident kayo to travel around the Philippines because traveling, is fun. It's full of adventure. Though there are some challenges, but I guess yung challenges, perception lang yun ng tao, ng pagiging human being natin. But if we'll think about those things as beautiful things as part of our journey, na habang we are out there having those kind of adventure and experiences, isang malaking bahagi lang yun ng ating pagiging human being, no? I guess mawawala yung perception mo o mababago yung paradigm mo to think na yung challenges ay may negative connotation. So, for me, those are not challenges, but a beautiful experience as part of my journey to travel and collect memories and beautiful, beautiful things and connection with other people around the space na gusto kong puntahan or lugar na gusto kong puntahan. Alright, so that's all for me now. It's Wednesday. Disoriented na ako sa time and date because parang hindi ko na lang siya tinitignan dahil ina-enjoy ko lang talaga every moment and every bits of it. Kagabi, I roam around El Nido again. I'm supposed to climb Mount Tapias. Hopefully, I can do it later. Kasi kahapon medyo tinatamad talaga akong lumabas agad and nag-rest muna ako. Pero lumabas ako mga around parang 4. So, I guess hindi na yun yung perfect time to climb Mount Tapias kasi ayoko magmadali pag-akyat. It's 720 steps, no? Pero bukod doon, naakyat ka pa ng mataas din bago yung mga steps na yun. So, dito sa El Nido, dito sa Coron, like in El Nido, ano siya, gliding, no? Taas, baba yung roads. May elevation talaga siya. So, hindi siya yung flat surface. So, it seems na bulubundukin talaga siya na pinatag and na-develop. So, same thing with El Nido, yun yung napansin ko. Kaya pag naglakad ka sa daan, medyo hihingalin ka ng konti kasi may mga tataas talaga, steep and then bababa. Pero, the good thing is, parang nag-exercise ka everyday. Yun lang. So, guys, thank you so much for your love and support dito sa channel ko sa YouTube. I'll make it sure na mas marami pa akong i-upload na mga content, my travel contents, and hopefully looking forward also to interact with you when I have time. So if you do have comments, feedback on my travel documentations, please do so. Hindi pa ako talaga fully nag-create ng mga high-end video documentaries ko. It's all, lahat ng pinopost ko is parang mga reels and stories lang, no? Because I'm busy also working and I'm trying my best na magkaroon ng time to edit, no? Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, I am very well versed in using Premiere Pro, CapCut, and other editing softwares because yun yung mga ginagamit ko for video and photo editing because I love creating, stories, creating things. So guys, thank you so much once again. Kanina pa ako nagpapa-thank you.
see you later, no? And let's try together here at Travel Vlogs. Bye!